Are you ready to change your financial future? Let's dive into the best personal finance lessons that can transform your life. Managing your finances can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge, you can achieve financial freedom. First, let's talk about budgeting. Create a realistic budget to track your income and expenses. This helps you see where your money goes each month. Knowing your spending habits is key. Next, we move on to saving. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. It's vital for a secure financial future. Now let's discuss debt. Pay off high-interest debts first. Consider the avalanche method for efficiency. This will save you money and interest over time. Investing is another important topic. Start investing early to take advantage of compound interest. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Next is the importance of education. Continuously learn about personal finance. Books, podcasts, and videos can offer valuable insights and strategies. Let's consider side hustles. Explore additional ways to earn money. Whether freelancing or starting a small business, extra income can boost your savings. Creating multiple income streams is vital too. Don't rely on just one source of income. This can provide you with financial security and peace of mind. Finally, always review and adjust your financial plan. Life changes, and so should your strategy. Regular assessments can keep you on track to meet your goals. In summary, implementing these personal finance lessons can lead to wealth and freedom. Start budgeting, saving, and investing today. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Ready to take control of your finances? Subscribe for more financial tips and start your journey to financial success today.